Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at the different levels and parameters of TC513CX programming. Let's start with Level 1 programming of the 513CX. To enter Level 1 of programming mode, press the Instrument key for 3 seconds. As you can see, the product display shows Input, and the J-type thermocouple is set by default. To change the input type, long press the Set key, then press the Instrument key once to choose the desired value. Here, we are using the RTD input type. Press the Instrument key to go to the next parameter, which shows the product unit and display. To change it to degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, long press the Set key and Instrument key simultaneously. The next parameters are setpoint low limit and setpoint high limit. The user can set these values using these parameters. The next parameter is hysteresis time constant, which allows the controller to reduce noise from the process application. We can change this value by long pressing the Set key and Instrument key together. After pressing the Instrument key, the unit control mode appears. We can set the control action to reverse mode or forward mode. Reverse mode is used for heating applications and forward mode is used for cooling applications. The next parameter is resolution. We can select either PI control or PID control from the control options. The next parameter is entry setpoint offset, which is used to reduce disturbances in the process. Pressing the Instrument key will show the unit reset default parameter, which can be used to change the parameters. To exit programming, press the Instrument key for 3 seconds. To enter Level 2 programming, press the Up arrow key for 3 seconds. If we are using PI control, it will show parameters where we can set output high and output low as per requirement. The next parameters are P, I, and D values, which stand for proportional, integral time, and derivative time respectively. The user can change these values according to the PID parameter ranges and field conditions. Now we are on the cyclic time and parameter display of PID control. We can set the user mode to auto. The next parameter is cycle time, which can be changed from 0.1 seconds to 99.9 seconds according to field conditions. The next parameter is display, which is used to display the controller's value compared to the recorder's. If we are using on-off control, the hysteresis parameter will be shown in the resolution parameter. Here, we can change the value to the desired degree, according to which we can turn the relay on or off. This parameter helps to prevent frequent loading above the set point. To exit programming, press the Instrument key for 3 seconds. To enter Level 3 programming, press the Instrument and Down arrow keys simultaneously for 3 seconds. Here, the unit shows the lock status along with the set point parameter. We can change the status to lock by long pressing the Set key and Instrument key once. Similarly, we can change the lock status of Level 1 and Level 2 using the same process. By using these parameters, we can create a lock to prevent unauthorized changes. To exit programming, press the Instrument and Down arrow keys for 3 seconds. Applications: food industry, autoclave, extruder machines, plastic processing, plastic industry, oven, heaters, and boilers. If you like our video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.